First, take it apart, or should I take it apart? The iPhone 14 looks almost identical to the iPhone 13, only the camera module is larger by a ring. You can't tell unless you look closely. I seriously suspect that the iPhone 14 is just clearing out the iPhone 13 inventory, so I decided to take apart the iPhone 14 first. To see how many accessories are interchangeable between the iPhone 13 and 14, as usual, remove the tail screw, then heat it on the heating station, soften the waterproof glue on the screen a bit. From the iPhone 12 to 13 and then to 14, there have been too many disassemblies, no need for any professional tools. Use a blade to pry a gap, drip some alcohol. The screen can be easily taken apart after opening the screen. The internal layout seriously exceeded my expectations. There is an extra layer of partition beneath the screen. Maybe many netizens haven't seen what the inside of the iPhone 13 looks like for this reason. We took apart a new iPhone 13, let's make a comparison, but the two screens look almost the same. Come on, let's take both screens off and swap them to see if they are interchangeable. Some people watch videos quietly, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. These people are really adorable. After taking them apart and comparing, I found that the screen's interface cables are different, so they definitely can't be interchanged. Next, let's carefully examine the casing. The central partition seems to be integrated with the midframe. From this structure, it seems that the back glass needs to be removed. We peel off the waterproof glue on the side to see if there are any screws underneath. This way, it's very clear, no screws are fixing it. The partition is indeed integrated with the midframe, so it can be confirmed that the back glass needs to be removed. We first use heat-resistant glue to protect the midframe. It's a new phone, so don't scratch it. It's my first time disassembling, so I don't know how to start. Come on, let's use professional screen disassembly equipment. This device will heat it while pulling the back cover upwards, then drip a little alcohol around the edges. This should be how to disassemble it. Anyway, a gap has been opened. Then use a thin disassembly tool, slide it around the edges of this gap. It's taken apart. There are actually still clips inside. Let's take them off and examine them carefully. Open the back cover. The true appearance has been revealed. There is a ribbon cable on the back cover connected to the motherboard. We disconnect the ribbon cable, remove the back cover. This back cover integrates the wireless charging coil, the top microphone speaker, and the flash. The design structure of the iPhone 14 reminds me of it. Also removing the back cover, the design structure is really too similar to the iPhone 4 and 4S after more than a decade of effort. The Apple we are familiar with has finally returned. Come on. Let's continue to take out the motherboard. To remove this motherboard, we need to remove the speaker first. To remove the speaker, we need to remove the component below it first, rear dual cameras, the top speaker, which is also the earpiece. Then remove the double layer screws below this. Then the motherboard can be removed. Still a 15, still in a 7 shape, also a dual layer motherboard. We take the iPhone 13's motherboard for comparison. We continue to disassemble. This is the vibration motor. First, remove the card tray, then the SIM card slot. A bunch of screws need to be arranged in order, then the main speaker. Continue to remove all the screws, then heat it on the heating station to soften it a bit. Remove the tail ribbon cable, still the same, no big changes. Then remove the battery. A metal partition is welded in this position. The battery adhesive is very hard to pull. Drip some alcohol and force it apart. Let's compare it with a battery from the iPhone 13. The size is almost identical. The iPhone 14's capacity is 3,279 mAh. The iPhone 13's capacity is 3,227 mAh. It's bigger by a few dozen mAh. Okay, almost all the accessories on the midframe have been removed. The remaining power-on ribbon cable and side button ribbon cable have the same structure as before. We won't disassemble them. Add a metal partition between the screen and the motherboard. Is this designed for better heat dissipation? Finally, let's admire the iPhone 14 family portrait. The appearance is unchanged, but inside there are such big changes. Apple is really strange. They went all out. Brothers, give a like.